Hi everyone, welcome back to Life at Hack. Today I'm going to show you one Samsung setting that will completely change the way you message. It's simple, quick, and I guarantee you will love it. On your Samsung, go to Settings. Scroll down to General Management and tap Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now tap Text Shortcut. Here's where the magic happens. You can create shortcut for your most used phrases. For example, I am going to type OMW as a shortcut. Whenever I use it, my phone will instantly expand it to on my way. Now watch this. Inside WhatsApp, I just type and instantly it becomes the full phrase. No more typing the same thing again and again. You can use this for way more than quick replies. For example, make address expand into your full home address, so you never have to type it out. Set email 1 to instantly paste your email address. This is not just for texting either. It works in WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, basically anywhere you type. Here's me typing the shortcut in a row instead of writing long sentence. It takes just a few taps. Fast, easy, and super practical. So that's one simple Samsung setting that makes messaging much easier. Give it a try and tell me in the comment which shortcut you had used first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick hack right here on Life Hack Hacks.